Yes, be ready. Start. The instant petition filed under Article 227 of the Constitution prays for quashing order dated 3/2/2005 passed by the learned District Judge Sangrur upholding the view taken by the learned Additional Civil Judge within bracket Senior Division Dhuri, which is to the effect that the plaintiff respondent being in exclusive possession is entitled to interim relief of injunction restraining the defendant petitioner from dispossessing him forcibly and illegally from the suit property till the final decision of the case. Full stop. The learned trial court has placed reliance on the entries made in the Jamabandi for the year 1999, showing that the plaintiff respondent is co-owner of the suit land and has also been recorded to be in exclusive possession. Full stop. Reliance has been placed on the entries made in Khasra Girdavaris from 1989 onwards. Full stop. On the basis of Section 44 of the Punjab Land Revenue Act 1887, the trial court has raised a presumption in favor of the entries made in Jamabandis and considered these entries to be true. Full stop. The finding of the learned trial court is discernible from the following extracts of para 6, which reads as under. Full stop. Next stanza. Thus, in view of the revenue record placed on the file, it is clear that plaintiff Magar Singh is in exclusive possession of the property in dispute as co-owner. Full stop. The defendant in his written statement has alleged that he is in an exclusive possession of the property in dispute on the spot and entries in the revenue record are not correct. Full stop. But this contention is devoid of any merit. Full stop. There is no entry in favor of the defendant to prove that he is in exclusive possession of the property in dispute. Full stop. Had he been possession of the property in dispute, then Wahe Khasra Girdavari from 1989 onwards is being recorded in favor of the plaintiff. Full stop. In the revenue record, plaintiff is recorded in exclusive possession of the property in dispute as co-owner. Full stop. Whether this revenue record is incorrect cannot be decided at this stage without any evidence on the file. Full stop. Prima facie, on the basis of the revenue record, it is clear that plaintiff being co-owner in exclusive possession of the property in dispute. Full stop. Next stanza. On the basis of the aforementioned finding and placing reliance on a full bench judgment of this court in the case of Bhartu versus Ram Swaroop 1981 PLJ 204, it has been concluded that a co-owner who is in exclusive possession of the property is entitled to protect his possession till partition of the joint holding. Full stop. The view taken by the learned trial court has been approved by the learned district judge by rejecting the argument that if a portion has been shown in the Jamabandis as Gir Muskim in Khasra number 613, it would not lead to an inference that the defendant petitioner was in possession of the same. Full stop. Next stanza. After hearing the learned counsel at a considerable length and perusing the orders passed by both the courts below, I am of the view that there is no legal infirmity in the exercise of discretion by the courts below. Full stop. On facts, there is sufficient evidence in the shape of revenue record to show that the plaintiff respondent is in exclusive possession and in accordance with law, a co-owner is entitled to protect his exclusive possession full stop. This view has been further fortified by a division bench of this court in the case of Bachchan Singh versus Savaran Singh 2000 within bracket 3 civil court cases 02 within bracket Punjab and Haryana 2000 within bracket 2 PLJ 143 full stop. The question considered by the division bench is whether a co-owner of the property was entitled to seek an injunction against other co-owner who has been in exclusive possession of the entire or part of the property, restraining him from making any construction in that part of the property full stop. The answer has been provided in the concluding para 17 within bracket small I and the same reads as under full stop. Next on a consideration of the judicial pronouncements on the subject, we are of the opinion full stop. A co-owner who is not in possession of any part of the property is entitled to seek an injunction against another co-owner who has been in exclusive possession the common property unless any act of the person in possession of the property amounts to ouster prejudicial or adverse to the interest of co-owner out of possession full stop. In view of the above, it is evident that a co-owner who is not in possession of part of the property cannot be permitted to dispose the other co-owner who is in exclusive possession thereof full stop. Therefore, there is no illegality or such an irregularity by the court which may warrant interference of this court under Article 227 of the Constitution full stop over.